Namaste students. Today's our topic is evolution and development of competition law in India. In India, the first competition law was enacted in 1969, Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act 1969, that is MRTP Act 1969. The Monopoly and Restrictive Trade Practices Bill was introduced in the Parliament in the year 1967 and the same was referred to the Joint Select Committee. The MRTP Act 1969 came into force with effect from 1st June 1970. The enactment of MRTP Act 1969 was based on the socio-economic philosophy inherent in the directive principle of state policy contained in the Constitution of India. The MRTP Act 1969 underwent amendments in the 1974, 1980, 1982, 1984, 1986 and 1988. 1991, the amendments introduced in the year 1982 and 1984 were based on the recommendation of the Scare Committee, which was constituted by the Government of India under the chairmanship of Justice Rajendra Sachar in the year 1977. In October 1999, the Government of India constituted a high-level committee under the chairmanship of Mr. S.V.S. Raghavan Committee to advise a modern competition law for the country in line with international developments and to suggest legislative framework which may entail a new law or suitable amendments in the MRTP Act 1969. The Raghavan Committee presented its report to the government in May 2000. On the basis of recommendation of the Raghavan Committee, a draft competition law was prepared and presented in November 2000 to the government, and the competition bill was introduced in the parliament, which referred the bill to its standing committee. After considering the recommendation of the standing committee, the parliament passed December 2002 the Competition Act 2002. The Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practice Act 1969 MRTP Act repealed and was replaced by the Competition Act 2002 with effect from 1st September 2009. The Competition Act 2002 was enacted to provide for the establishment of a commission to prevent practices having adverse effect on competition and to promote and sustain competition in the business environment and to protect the interests of consumers and also to ensure freedom of trade carried on by other participants in market in India and for matter connected therewith or incidental thereto. The Competition Act 2002 came into existence in January 2003 and the Competition Commission of India CCI was established on 14th October 2003. CCI consists of a chairperson and 6 members appointed by the central government. CCI functions as market regulator for preventing and regulating anti-competitive practices in the country. A competition appellate tribunal was also established, which is a quasi-judicial body established to hear and dispose of appeals against any direction issued or decision made by the CCI. The Act was subsequently amended by the Competition Act 2007 and Competition Act 2009. The provision of the Competition Act relating to anti-competitive agreement and abuse of dominant position were notified on 20th May 2009. Introduction of the Act was a key step towards facing competition. The Competition Act 2002 is not intended to prohibit competition in the market. The legislation prohibits anti-competitive agreements, abuse of dominant position and regulates mergers, amalgamation and acquisitions. Elements of competition law: anti-competitive agreements. Anti-competitive agreements are those agreements that restrict competition. Section 3 of the Competition Act 2002 prohibits anti-competitive agreement with respect to protection, supply, distribution, storage and acquisition or control of goods or service which cause or likely to cause an appreciable